where it's going, where the future is. You know,
Sobrang hirap i-please ng mga tao.
yeah.
Natatawa ako dun sa
That's true.
nung time nila.
Boxers, boxers.
Boxes.
Ang hirap naman ng boxes.
Ses na.
Ses, I hope you're okay. I know you have...
You know, SB19, I think even like G22, Kaya was all tweeting to them like, you know,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Congratulations,
Because it means it can be them one day too.
Yeah, exactly. It could be them like 2027, 2028, right?
Right. Exactly.
Welcome back to another reaction video. I'm with Nia and Dessa today, and today I'm so excited because Dessa has not seen this interview. We are watching SB19 and Vinny's interview with Billboard Philippines. This is one of my favorite interviews. Are you excited, Dessa?
Yes, I am. Oh my god, my two favorite groups.
Yes, sir. Nia, are you excited? I know you've seen it
Yes.
before, right?
Yes. I love especially the ending of this interview.
Ooh,
No spoilers though.
No spoilers.
spoilers, okay.
Yes, sir. So guys, if you guys are first-time viewers here, we are fans of SB19. We are fans of Beanie. So you're a fan of them, subscribe to our channel. So no further ado, let's check this out. Let's go.
Let's go.
Volumes.
On this episode of Billboard Philippines Volumes, full circle moment for us as we have our first ever cover star SB19 with our new cover star Beanie. The two biggest P-pop acts together on Volumes.
Oh my god.
Let's turn
and
up the
these
volume
two.
on SB19 and Beanie.
Billboard Philippines. Volumes.
I never thought we'd be here.
Oh, it's Brett, bro.
Pero, today
Okay.
is a very special day. Welcome to Billboard
Okay.
Philippines Volumes, where we turn up the volume on your favorite artist stories.
Oh wow, turn up the
Of
volume. I like
course,
that.
Today we are with the Voices of Asia awardees,
Yo, Brett.
our maiden issue cover stars.
It's been so
the
long, my boy.
kings of P-pop, SB19, and now our anniversary issue cover stars, the Nation's Girl Group.
Yo, they all look
Beanie.
so amazing.
Everyone, just give it up one time.
Yeah.
God, Colette, bro.
Give it up.
And now that we've broken the ice, I think we're gonna have a lot of people watching this, and we know your fans are gonna watch this already, but I think there's gonna be a lot of new people that are gonna watch this. So before we start, can everyone introduce themselves? Let's start here in the front. Class.
Where's the camera?
Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm from SB19. I'm Pablo.
God, Pablo. Oh my
Hi,
god.
I'm
these
Beanie
pics.
Colette. I'm Beanie Gwen. Hi, I'm Beanie Shana. Hi, I'm Beanie Mika.
Yo,
Hi, it's Beanie
Mika.
Joanna.
Hi everyone, this is Tel.
Oh,
Hi, I'm
wow.
Beanie Maloy.
Hi, I'm Justin.
Hi, I'm Beanie Aya.
Hi, I'm Benny Josh.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
Hi, I'm Ken.
Hi, I'm Beanie Stacy. And we are SB19.
Yay! This is so fun. I would love this.
Oh my
Top
god.
student.
Galing nun ah.
Repeater ako.
Sa likod.
This is insane. The energy today is amazing.
Yes.
Another reason why I'm saying that I never thought this would happen is because these two groups are everywhere. They're all over the world. They're playing shows across
Yo,
the
this is
nation,
insane,
across the
bro.
world, and they're
I
here with
know
us
Brett.
today.
I know Brett. I used to fangirl
Because
over him.
this is all about P-pop.
Really?
P-pop is revolutionary. It's crazy. It's everywhere. You can't go down the street without hearing it. And this is very important for where we are right now. So to start things off, I'd like to hear in your own words. Wow, own words.
Oh, words.
What is P-pop?
Pablo.
Sir Justin, can you tell us what is P-pop?
That's like, that's bro.
Thank you, Sir Brett, for that wonderful question.
Wow.
I'm dead.
Yeah, technically, P-pop is just like pop music, pero ito'y galing sa puso ng Filipino, ng isang Filipino, and
Love
the
that.
Filipino musicians, artists, just like us po. So, ayun, I think na paloob na rin, napaloob, ang lalim, napaloob na rin sa
Whoa, yeah, lalim.
parang understanding ng marami na when they say P-pop, it's like a sing and dance music, usually yung kumakanta na it's a group, but basically it's just pop na gawa or galing sa puso ng Pilipino.
We love that.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
I love
God,
love
I'm
together.
dead.
What makes Pinoy pop unique?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean,
I knew it. I knew it.
Oh my gosh. Well, for me, I guess nagiging unique yung P-pop kasi as an artist, at as tayo, di ba, as P-pop groups and OPM groups,
mhm.
we always try to incorporate traditional Filipino
That's true.
elements. Pero hindi rin tayo takot mag-explore. Hindi rin tayo takot mag-incorporate ng global pop trends. Kasi kailangan din
Yeah,
natin maging
yeah, yeah, yeah.
adaptive, di ba?
Mhm.
So,
Correct.
pwede naman natin i-embrace yung local heritage natin, but at the same time, mag-explore tayo to global
Oh my God,
stage.
Ken, the way
Number
Ken
one,
is a
number
joke.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
Yeah, go for it.
Yes,
Oh.
go for it.
No, I mean that's so true. We see P-pop groups doing that now, like Alamat,
Mhm.
especially known for
Yeah.
that. All of you are doing the same thing. So I guess this leads to another question that I'd like to direct towards some of the members that are from different regions. How
Yeah.
important is, I guess, involving other dialects from the Philippines? So maybe we can try Ken
Ken.
for this one.
Yes,
He
my
knows-
boy.
he
My
knows
boy.
a lot.
My boy.
Perfect.
To me personally, I'm so proud of being a Bisaya.
Oh my God.
Yes, you are.
Proud ako
We
kung saan
love
ako
that.
nanggaling. And to me, because siguro sobrang proud ko, gusto ko I think it's
He's also
about time
Bisaya,
because
no?
like Bisaya language is so
As
beautiful.
far as I can remember.
And sobrang sarap niya pakinggan, especially pag gumawa ako ng kanta na Bisaya. So, personal
Oh my
opinion ko
God.
lang naman. And yan. That's all.
Actually,
Bisaya is beautiful. That's why it's important also kasi madami naman madami tayong dialect and language sa Pilipinas. So,
Mhm.
ayun.
Correct.
Siguro it's a thing to unite people kasi hindi mo naman kailangan intindihin yung bawat Hindi mo naman kailangan maintindihan yung
Oh my God, Ken is so
lyrics ng
perfect.
bawat kanta. It's just how you feel it because you don't try to understand music, you feel it.
Yeah, you
Mhm.
feel it. That
So,
is how you
yeah,
make your
it's
viewers
beautiful.
feel.
we see other countries every day, like let's say
Yeah, I'm dead.
Korean acts come here to the Philippines. We have Filipinos singing in Korean the whole
Mhm.
time. We're
Facts,
moving
yeah.
towards a stage where we'll see acts go to other countries and they'll start singing in Tagalog, even Bisaya.
Yo.
It can happen.
Yeah.
I'd like to direct this question, the same question, over to Mika. How important
It's like a
is
classroom, bro. For
representation
real.
in music right now?
I think it's really important to have representation because I think that's how we all get to share really our music and our culture and everything in the world. Like this is
Boys,
why we do world tours aside from gathering more people to know more about our music. It's also to raise the Filipino flag and
Yo.
to represent our nation and the talent it brings and the culture and its language and the warmth of the people really.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Maloy, I'd like to hear
100%.
from you as well.
Well, for me, I think my dialect is Batangueña.
Yes, it
So,
is.
I think it's really hard to put it in a song.
Mhm, mhm.
Pero, for me na nagkaroon, yun, hindi ko kaya. Mahirap ko
Makulit.
kumain because yung tono, iba. Pero, being able to learn like different dialects, makarinig, like Bisaya, Bicolan, Ilocano, Bicolana, like it's really refreshing for me. And parang for me na i-represent siya, hindi lang sa kapwa mo Pilipino, but in other people as well, outside the Philippines, it's a big opportunity for us to bring what we have. Because I think malaki talaga yung chance natin to bring it out there. Kasi Filipinos are one of the greatest performers on earth.
Yo.
That's true.
Yeah.
Let's
I
go.
mean, it's not even just a chance
Yo.
anymore. You guys are doing it
Yeah, true.
already. It's happening.
Yeah, that's true.
It's
It's
now.
happening. Yeah.
I guess where we want to go from here now is like you guys are traveling around the world. I know as Beanie, you guys are hitting the States. Just came from Canada as well. SB19 naman, you guys have been all over the world. So now that you guys are going outside the country, are you feeling the momentum for P-pop change? I'd like to ask Stel.
Yeah, I guess right now we're very happy that finally is P-pop being recognized not only here in the Philippines but also globally. And same dun sa question kanina na putting other dialects. I think maganda siya kasi for the longest time lagi nating naririnig Tagalog, English, and it's time na parinig din natin yung ibang mga salita natin dito, mga ibang wika, lengguwahe, kung ano pa man yung kaya nating i-showcase as Filipino. Kasi I think this year or sa mga susunod na taon, mas magiging fruitful pa yung OPM scene, not only here but also sa buong mundo. And nakikita rin natin kahit yung mga sumisikat na international singers, may Pinoy blood pala. And doon tayo naging...
Yo, Jessica
Oh my God.
Sanchez,
Madami,
bro.
madami. Maraming international artists na mga Pinoy.
Pablo.
Siyempre, number one,
Stella
Bruno
Hero.
Mars. Bruno Mars, di ba? May dugong Pinoy. So parang
Hello, Olivia.
marami tayong nadi-discover na mga artists na parang, may Pinoy blood pala. So, hindi rin malabo for us na mga 100% Filipino blood
Right.
na magawa rin natin yung mga success na nagagawa nila. And for P-pop naman, we're very happy din na hindi lang Pinoy yung na-inspired din namin. Kasi kahit even other countries, nagkakaroon na rin ng idea to go here and to audition as a P-pop artist or maging
true.
or mag-release ng music dito or maging artist din dito. So parang for the longest time, lagi tayong nakatingin lang sa labas ng bansa natin na parang sila yung may chance. But now, na binigyan na tayo ng tamang platform and binigyan na tayo ng napakaraming inspiration from other artists pa. And kami, naging example din kami na na-inspire kami with other artists. And ngayon, parang ginagawa na rin namin kung ano yung nafe-feel namin na tama namin gawin for other mga artists na, ay mga dreamers din ngayon na gusto rin nila gawin yung na sumunod sa yapak namin or yung other mga legends here. So, yeah, I guess, ang dami kong sinabi. Sana may point.
I love stuff.
Yun naman. Yun po.
You know, I'd like to say a fact for a lot of people that are watching this right now. The world looks at the Philippines as one of the markets that actually dictates who's going to be the next big thing globally. So many artists have actually broken here first before anywhere else in the world. Dua Lipa, Ed Sheeran, 1975. So what happens when the Philippines actually only focuses more on Filipino talent? That's what we want to see, and that's where we're going. So what I'd like to say next is, what is a moment where you felt everything is changing for P-pop? You really felt that you can see where it's going, where the future is. You know, Aya, could we hear from you on this one?
Yo.
I guess there are a lot of times, big or small things that we can say, oh, it's really being seen not just here but across the world, and hopefully it's gonna magnify. And for me, that time when we did a tour in Canada, and then we were very nervous and scared because it's our first time to have our own concert outside the Philippines, so we didn't know what the reception would be, how they would take us and accept us. So
Canada
that
showed
time,
out, man.
That's true.
we were very grateful and blessed how not only Filipinos who attended our concert, but there are also like other races, different ages who were there, and they were very happy to see us, and knowing that not everybody was all Filipino. So that made us think, oh, okay, there's really a chance that we can have our music be heard across the world, and hopefully it's not just us, but all the other artists who are really striving and doing their very best and pouring all the love to their craft gets that kind of treatment, because I know we all deserve that for those artists who are really trying. Yeah.
Amen.
Summa cum laude.
Can I actually add
know-
something?
Oh yeah, go ahead. Josh.
It felt like P-pop really changed everything, and parang naramdaman ko na ito na talaga yung revolution when actually Beanie made it. So to be honest kasi before parang nangyayari medyo mahirap for other P-pop artists as well to syempre to cross borders, ganun. But ever since Beanie made it, parang naging inspiration din sila for other P-pop artists to strive more, na may pag-asa talaga with the P-pop. Kasi matagal na namin pinupush as collective. Lahat naman ng groups dito talagang matagal na pinupush. Pero when they made it, kasi before kami parang nagtutour kami, pero parang hindi pa namin, parang nare-reach namin yung audience, pero parang iniisip namin kung mas marami tayo, mas maraming ma-reach tong P-pop na ginagawa namin. So when they actually did it, parang sobrang, actually even me na-inspire ako dun sa movement na yun, na parang, uy, it's finally happening. Hindi lang to for now, for sure yung mga susunod na generations, mas marami pang magbo-blow up.
Yeah. Actually, parang yun nga, gaya ng sinabi ni Josh, ngayon, yung mga events, concerts, kung mapapansin nyo po, dumadami na yung mga nai-invite na P-pop groups. So, yun yung isa sa nakakataba ng puso na nakikita natin yung improvement nung growth nung P-pop community.
Actually, like, especially in the last few months, we've seen so many concerts with so many P-pop groups and selling out constantly, and the launch of so many new groups as well. So it's obvious that the Philippines can see it, the world can see it, and you guys are leading the way for what's happening. That's amazing. I guess I'd like to go into next.
Maybe
What
before
do you
we keep on
admire?
going, but like this is like after KCON, right? So like when I don't know about you guys, but for me, like when I saw Beanie perform at, even though it was just a pre-show when they perform, but just
Yeah, but
seeing
the
them
fact that
up
they were
there,
there.
the fact that they're there,
Yeah.
like hearing Tagalog, like hearing
That's
like
true.
seeing Filipinos in one of the biggest stages, which is like KCON, and them with like sharing the stage with, you know, other big K-pop stars, and just seeing that just inspired me, because like for me, like me growing up, I really didn't see too much like Filipino representation and on TV, right? The only thing I saw was like Manny Pacquiao, but that's like every other like year. Now he's retired, but like but just seeing that, I feel like that could inspire a lot of kids now, a lot of Filipino people here living not in the Philippines,
But abroad,
but
yeah.
just being able to see that talent, that Filipino excellence on stage, and now they're doing Coachella, which is another
Very
milestone, big.
That deserves a
Um,
celebration for all Filipinos, actually.
Yeah. And I hope, and I really can't wait to see like other P-pop groups perform in the
Yeah,
big
like
stages
make
here.
it to like big stages too.
Big stages.
They will.
too.
They will.
Yeah.
About each
We're in the right
other's groups.
direction.
So okay, okay.
In the
Wait,
right
hold
time,
up,
I
hold
believe
up,
in
hold
that.
up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Okay, Gwen.
Yeah, Jessica Sanchez,
Gwen,
bro.
what can you
Oh, yeah,
say
Jessica
that you
Sanchez.
admire about
On.
SB19?
Our kuyas, SB19. Ako
Mic drop.
Grabe naman, di pa ako sorry.
Grabe, di ba sumasagot si Gwen, pero mic drop na. Mic
Is
drop.
SB19 older
Yes.
than Beanie?
Hala, ako po
They're really
personally,
kuyas?
Think
sobrang
so?
naalala
They started
ko pa nung
everything,
mga times
right?
na nagsisimula sila. And as in, sobrang amazed ako. Siguro yung
Oh yes.
as in number one na ina-admire ko sa kanila is yung determination, kasi they really opened the door for especially sa P-pop po.
Mhm.
And the discipline and and of course sila din po yung nililook up namin, lalo nung trainee days namin, 'di ba? Lalo nagsisimula pa lang yung P-pop nung time na yun. Sobrang grabe the talent.
Ako po, add ko lang po, dahil yun nga po, nagsa-start pa lang po kami, talagang sila yung parang nakaset na okay, dapat maging parehas
Pablo,
nila
oh my God.
kami.
I'm dead.
Yes.
The
So,
standard.
gusto po namin yung nag-take po talaga sila ng risk na mapakilala yung P-pop. Parang sila talaga yung nangunguna. And alam niyo po
Wow.
yung
SB19.
tinake nila lahat ng negative muna bago, I mean, para safe naman yung, parang ganun po yung, parang ganun yung nangyayari. So, thankful kami na sila talaga nag-start na. Alam niyo yun, iset talaga yung standard. Okay, ganito ang excellence na pinapakita ng P-pop. Parang ganun.
Kasi nung time po
I got
nila,
the show.
sobrang hirap talaga na like buksan yung door
Yes.
for P-pop. As
Sobrang
in,
hirap i-please ng mga tao.
Mhm.
Natatawa ako
That's true.
nung time nila.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm dead.
Hindi, pero okay naman, gets naman, nung time nila, oo.
namin kayo.
Who did that.
I mean,
P-pop
we
pioneer.
gotta be honest though. I mean, I've seen clips and videos of those interviews during that time, and it was really harsh how the media and everyone really treated you guys when you guys were like opening the doors. You guys were breaking barriers. You guys were pushing it forward, and this wouldn't be happening without that. That's the truth. You know what I mean? And it doesn't make sense to me
Mhm.
why it had to be like that, because your
That's
talent is
true. That's
undeniable.
true. That's
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
Yep.
Let's get away from
Yeah.
that negativity.
Yeah. Let's get away from that, Brett. Ooh.
Actually, okay, game. Let's do it.
Lang po. Siguro kasi, ngayon nga, mas nakikilala na yung P-pop, mas marami ng eyes. So, mas marami ring batikos, mas marami ring criticisms. Wala
That's
lang,
true.
parang recently, nagkaroon ako ng parang detoxification pagdating sa social media kasi
Yo,
parang
Pablo's
sobrang
voice is
dami na ng
insane,
negativity
even
na
when talking.
nakikita ko.
Yeah.
So, ayun, nagpahinga muna ako. Tapos, kinabukasan, bumalik na rin.
5 minutes later.
Parang sabi nga nila, di ba, pag ang puno ay hitik sa bunga, talagang lalong binabato. So,
Yeah, that's
since
true.
I love that.
everyone's
I never heard
attention
that
na
before.
is nakapokus na sa P-pop, ganyan. So, syempre, mas maraming tao na pwede kang punahin. Like, syempre, social media, anyone can say anything about you,
Yeah.
regardless of what you do. Even though, kuwari, you're not doing anything wrong or you're just doing what you love, makakatanggap ka talaga ng mga
Yeah.
kakaibang mga mindset na
Yeah.
tao na hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling yung mga komento nila. Pero this is just a reminder for everyone who's trying to achieve
Yo,
the same
Pablo.
dreams that two of
Wow.
us and group dito. Kasi talagang madaming magbabati ko sa'yo regardless of what you do.
He's a leader,
So,
man.
baka
I
kasi
know! He has that
naniniwala
vibe!
or parang it breaks
He
them
carries it
pagdating
so
dun sa
well.
mga pangarap nila. Pero
Mhm.
just battle it out. Talagang ganun talaga eh. Lalo na kapag expose ka. Mas maraming tao na pwedeng magsalita para sa iyo, patungkol sa iyo. So, ayun lang, gusto ko lang sabihin na kaya niyo yan. Talagang pagdadaanan niya para maging mas malakas ka.
And for as
That's
much
true.
as there is, I mean, I wouldn't say there's a lot of negativity, but for the negativity, there's just as much or more
Yeah,
love
yeah.
or positivity right
Mhm.
now. And that's what we need to focus on.
Yeah,
Mhm.
facts.
Truly.
Mm.
Go ahead.
Actually, add ko lang din po regarding dun sa parang, yun nga, because of social media, lahat nakatingin sa'yo. Siguro, habol ko lang din yung what we admired sa Bini naman is parang, nung nagsisimula pa lang din kasi po sila, actually, nakikita ko rin sa Twitter yung mga, meron pa kayo yung one take na performance.
Yo.
Nasa loob pa kayo ng bahay ni
Mhm.
Kuya nun eh.
One take. Yung
Hindi ko
ano,
na-
ay, Rico Mambo. Yung
Oh, basta colorful yung song mo.
Oh my God.
Ano ba yan?
21
Oh
take.
my
Okay
God.
lang. Hindi naman ayun. Take down ko.
Yan nga, parang, di ba,
That's the video we watched, right?
basta
Austria.
parang,
Yeah, that's the video we watched.
what we admire din sa Bini kasi na parang ang daming, di ba, ang dami ng mata ngayon. Pero the way they present themselves, parang totoo pa rin. So, feeling ko isa rin po yun. Bukod sa, syempre, you know, how talented they are. We know how disciplined pag nagper-perform sila. Pero po, siguro isa yun sa naging key, yung pagiging tao ng isang artist. So,
Yeah.
yun po, parang kung makikita natin kung gaano sila nakakatawa, kung gaano katotoo sila. Actually, ayun nga, parang lagi kayong lumalabas sa mga feed. Parang matutulog na ako, lalabas kayo. Nakakatulugan ko yung mga super haba na
Wow.
live nyo
Wow.
sa isang so,
Amazing.
yung mga ganun yun, na
Amazing.
nakakatawa yung mga pinaggagawa nyo, yung mga, parang hindi kayo, alam nyo
He's a
merong
fan.
limit, pero hindi kayo
He's a bloom.
nahihiya or natatakot na kasi normal yung mga bagay-bagay. Meron mga topics na parang iniisip natin, hala, celebrity sila, dapat hindi sila magsasabi or
yeah.
gagawa
No,
ng
but you're
ganito.
humans too, no? Right?
Parang, so that's parang
Still
nakaka-inspire
do
siya
it.
sa lahat ng tao na
They
nakikita nila na
are.
even though you're up there,
You're still a human.
Same as-
oo,
Yeah.
parehas
Yeah.
pa rin
I
tayo.
think that's basically what you call P-pop. That's how you
Yeah.
define P-pop. Kasi
That's part of our culture.
authenticity namin,
Like,
Yeah,
us
that's
being
our
that,
culture, yeah.
That's who we are.
Yeah.
hindi yan katulad ng ibang countries na
Mhm.
Yo!
hindi sila makaka-relate eh.
Yeah, they cannot relate to our
Yes,
humanness.
original. Diba? And that's P-pop.
Tsaka one thing din po na napansin ko sa Bini, katulad sinabi ni Justin, parang ano yun super, yun yung isa sa parang selling point ng group nila is for being real, and nakakatuwa yung mga clips nga na napapanood nyo. And one thing din na talaga napansin ko is, hindi sila sumuko, and hindi mo mapapansin na napapagod sila sa ginagawa nila. Parang, every time na napapanood ko sila mag-perform, pag nami-meet namin sila, parang, every time,
Oh my God, I feel like
babaguhin ko ba
that's
ulit?
in the wrong
Hindi,
chair.
super happy sila. Nararamdaman ko yun. And I think they really deserve kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanila ngayon. Kasi alam ko naman na nung time na nagsisimula sila, syempre, alam mo yun, parang nasa isang lugar sila na parang kailangan gawin nila yung kailangan sabihin sa kanila. And sabi ko, parang, gets ko na to. Gets ko yung ganitong klaseng idea and paano binuo yung ganitong group. Tapos, all of a sudden, nakita ko parang lumalabas na yung totoong sila. Like, nagjo-joke na sila, parang nagiging maskwela na sila, and may personality na sila. Sabi ko, parang ito talaga yung Beanie. And this is yung nakikita ko na parang mas mamahalin ng mga fans nila. And true enough, nung nakilala nga sila isa-isa, talagang mas nag-boom talaga yung Beanie lalo. And yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanila, parang nakakatuwa pala talaga sila. Kasi pag minsan nagmi-meet kami sa event, parang hi lang talaga. Hi, hello. Pero nung tumagal-tagal na, parang nakikita ko, mga kalog din pala talaga. And base nga po doon din siguro na answer na to ni Pablo before, P-pop, for us, ang P-pop ay sumasalamin sa buhay ng isang normal na Pilipino. So, tama, salamin. So, parang, kaya rin masasabi nga natin na talagang super relatable and super Pinoy talaga ng P-pop kasi nga tayo rin ng kakaintindihan kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. So, I guess, yun po yung nagustuhan ko personally sa Beanie.
Ang gusto ko sa Beanie, music po nila.
Yes.
Siguro po lahat
Yo,
sa
I
mga
love
P-pop
this.
groups kasi yung music po
They're
nila
like talking
para
good
lagi
stuff
galit
about
sa
each
mundo.
other. I love
Parang,
that.
gano'n kami
Sino ba
lagi.
kasi gumawa? Kaya mo sasabihin parang
lagi
galit.
may pinaglalaban.
Huwag ka magtaka.
Tapos parang sobrang
Refreshing.
kapag nakakapakinig ka ng music ng ibang groups na, syempre, may paborito akong kanta yung Lagi. Lagi ko talaga kinakanta. As in, favorite ko talaga yun. Oh. Kasi isipin mo, kapag nakikinig ka ng SB19 tapos nasa biyahe ka, tapos galit yung kanta, tapos
Not
galit
all
ka
their
lalo.
music's angry.
Tugtog mo, what?
Gusto mo parang light lang. So, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanila kasi talagang yung music nila very light.
Yes.
Siguro yun din yung magsasabi na yung difference nila sa ibang grupo. Tsaka yun din pala, ang hirap ng parang sobrang complicated nung tanong na what is P-pop, what makes it unique. Pero sa totoo lang, madali lang naman talaga siya sagutin. Parang pinapakomplika lang natin. Hindi, sa totoo lang. Kasi di ba, parang lahat naman tayo iba-iba. Iba-iba tayo na tao. Though, lahat tayo may mga same din, kumbaga. So, we have our differences, but at the same time, we have our similarities. Ang galing mo doon. We have our similarities. So, technically, if you try to be yourself, you're already doing something unique. So, bakit mo papakomplikahin? And I know naman na ang mga audience natin, hindi naman mga bobo. Ay, hindi naman.
Hey, let's be honest. Let's be honest.
They
I
know
love
if
Pablo.
something is not authentic or
Yes.
something is not
That's true.
true or ayun nga, kung peke.
Lord.
So, yun nakikita ko yun, napapanood ko sa kanila na very, ano lang sila, parang normal na mga tao. Talagang
Real na
pinapakita nila yung sarili nila. Tapos, talagang yun yung nakaka-attract ng mga audience. And I think, kapag nag-perform kami sa ibang bansa or saan man mundo, parang nakakatakot. It's scary to think na paano tayo magpe-perform. But yung pinaka-answer talaga doon, what makes us special is being ourselves eh. So, so kung magustuhan nila tayo dun
That's the
sa
selling point,
pinaka-authentic
man.
na sarili natin,
Yeah.
I think yun yung pinaka-successful na pwede natin gawin para sa P-pop or para sa culture natin. And if they came to love our culture, then yun na yung start, yun na yung mix ng lahat. So, yun lang, yun yung gusto ko sabihin. Hindi naman kailangan pikirin.
Pablo for class president.
I totally agree. I mean,
Not gonna lie, okay, so I feel like XG and Beanie are the only two groups that I really like. I gravitate to their personalities because before I even reacted to like music, before we started doing this reaction channel, I only listened to rap, rock, like Blink-182. I listened to J. Cole, Eminem, like all those. But actually listening to like Beanie and listen to like SB19, like they're so talented, but at the same time, once you get to really know them,
You have that connection, right?
Yeah.
you have that connection
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
like is unbreakable.
That's
Yeah.
true.
It's like friends that you don't even
Yeah.
know, but like you have
Mhm.
a connection with.
Yeah.
So
No,
that's how.
oh, sorry, go ahead. Finish.
No, go.
Everything they were saying is true because like it was once I started watching their interviews and like their chaoticness that really pulled me to P-pop all the way. Like it pulled me out of my K-pop hole because I was like, oh wow, like they are really being authentic, chaotic, and funny in a way that K-pop especially does not show. Like K-pop
That's
stars.
true.
You know, like in interviews when they're supposed to be professional, but Beanie is super chaotic, you know? And so like everything they're talking about is like what makes P-pop and OPM special is like their personality and their like humor is so true.
Yeah, because I remember. Okay, backstory. I always told about this to chat about like the first clip I saw of Aya doing her dance, like the TikTok dance, and I was like, oh, she's cool. I know her. I saw her in the video, and the next video was like Kumo Lives. I'm like, okay, these girls are actually so funny. Like it just became like a hole where like I just kept on watching Beanie Kumo Lives, and I fell in love with their personality, and it kind of relatable to my group of friends where we're able
Right.
to joke around,
Yeah.
BOA,
That's correct.
and what you said, Nia, like K-pop stars don't do that. Even stars today,
Right.
global stars don't do that.
Yeah.
That's why P-pop is so different because they're Filipino. That's our culture to BOA, to joke around. Our humor's different.
Yeah.
The way that we speak to each other is different, and
Yeah.
that's why it made me like fall in love with P-pop. Because not gonna lie, guys, like I didn't know what P-pop was until I started doing reaction videos. If it wasn't for reaction videos, I probably won't even know what P-pop is. That's why like our job today, like not gonna lie, as content creators, is to spread P-pop awareness. I feel like that because like
Love that mission.
we have so much talent in the Philippines and Filipinos
So
in
much.
general. Yo,
Overflowing.
we are known for our singing abilities and dancing abilities, except for us in this channel.
Except for
Yeah,
us.
except for
But-
me.
This channel. Except for us.
And just I feel like if we are able to spread a light to those artists, I feel like legit our music will be up there in the
Oh,
biggest
yeah.
stage,
Yeah.
right? Like
Globally.
I want my dream is to have P-pop be playing on the radios, to see them in the late night TV shows here.
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
that's my dream. That's like
Yeah.
legit my dream. Like my dream is to go to the mall and hear like Salamin, right? Like
I feel
I bet
like
you
if
got-
that happens, I mean, it would feel like home everywhere.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, I love
Like
that.
everywhere.
yeah. And I feel like we're in a really great we're in a path in the right direction
Mhm.
where I feel like P-pop is on the rise
Yeah.
because we have Beanie, we have SB19, and we
Yeah.
have other great amazing artists.
Mm.
Like we saw freaking Maggie on the top 10 global Billboard record, right, guys? So like just being able to see that is amazing. Like we're in the right track.
We're headed
on the
there.
right
We're
track.
headed there.
We're heading there. And like I like how like Pablo compares like their music and Beanie's music. I
Yeah,
love both
me
of their
too.
music.
Yeah.
I love I don't like saying one is better than the other because
Yeah.
both are the best.
Yo.
Mhm.
They're the best.
SB
So-
19, like that's
SB
like
19.
it flows.
Actually, yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah,
So
so good.
yeah, I love this interview. I just love them being together because I want to know what happens before and after.
I was having a conversation with Sir Gary V the other day, and we were talking about this. What can we do to further what's happening right now in OPM? And it's a simple answer. Be yourself. As cliche as it sounds, being yourself is the way that this whole thing will go further. Because what do we want the world to see? We want them to see Filipino culture. We want them to see Filipino identity.
Yes.
And how do you do that? Be yourself.
Brett, may sabihin din ako dyan.
Yo.
Kasi what is scary is, usually kasi as an artist, you really have to offer something to your fans, right? So, minsan kasi pag sinasabi ng fans mo, like, you should be like this because you're an artist, right? Kailangan mo entertain yung people. But the truth
God.
is, to me personally, I'm not an entertainer. I'm an artist. So, in making art, the audience comes first.
Yo.
That is for me personally. Yun yung sinabi ni Rick Rubin sa, ano niya, sa, ano ba tawag ito? producer yun siya. So,
Yes.
yeah, sobrang na-inspire ako sa work niya.
Recruitment, tol? Ano yun?
Rick Rubin.
Rick.
Citation.
Correct.
Citation.
Ayun, sobrang na-inspire ako sinabi niya. So, ayun, yeah, gusto ko lang sabihin na what I like about Binig is they're very genuine people,
Yes.
I think. And
I feel like
hopefully,
SB19 are
itutuloy nila
genuine
yung
people
klaseng
too.
bagay. Kasi
Every Filipino
I think
artist is.
that's what, kumbaga, yun yung nagustuhan ng mga fans sa kanila. And talagang nag-enjoy sila, hindi lang dahil sa music nila, but especially their personality also. And good job, Benny. Great job. Great job.
Happy birthday, baby! Please watch this!
Happy birthday ka naman, Lloyd. Happy birthday, Lloyd.
Grabe naman.
Puro
Hindi,
greeting.
puro
Ay,
greeting.
diba?
Compliment.
Kaya narito naman ang mga mensahe.
Chaotic.
Narito naman ang mga mensahe ng mga mahal mo sa buhay.
Yeah.
Roll VTR.
I'm dead.
That's why it's very scary talaga for artists na maging kumbaga maging totoo sa sarili nila kasi usually namamanipulate talaga tayo ng mga taong nag-criticize sa atin
Yeah.
kasi natatakot tayo. Kumbaga
Yeah.
kung ano yung meron sa atin ngayon, it might be
Wala
kumbaga
tomorrow.
parang
That's
maglaho
true.
na lang talaga biglaan kasi hindi natin alam yung kinabukasan bigla na lang pala tayong bumagsak ganun, no? So iniisip natin
God,
palagi
I
yung
love how Ken
nag-overthink
thinks.
tayo and
Oh my
it's very
God.
normal for people especially as an artist na mag-overthink din kasi yun yung ano natin kumbaga kung masaya yung ibang tao masaya din tayo but usually kasi nawawala yung pagiging nawawala yung pagiging what do you call this yung humanity mo kumbaga kung yung creation mo nawawala yung art mo kung ano talaga gusto mong gawin kasi gusto mong sundin kung ano yung gusto ng mga tao but yung gusto ko lang sabihin na sana ma-encourage yung mga tao na gusto gawin nila yung kung gusto nilang gawin as long as they're happy and wag sila magpa-manipulate and wag kayo magpapekto sa sinasabi ng ibang tao gawin niyo yung art niyo yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa inyo gawin niyo yan.
Sergeant at Arms.
True.
Justin, it's so funny.
The landscape of
I know,
P-pop
it's
and Opium,
all
it's
these
so big
titles.
right now. There's no like this is how it has to be. You guys are painting that picture as we
Yeah.
speak. You are writing
Yeah.
the history as we speak. So it's open. It's open to do whatever, and we get to see where it's going to go. And with that
Yeah.
being said, the future of P-pop is bright. We all know this. Pero what support do we need right now for it to get even bigger? Sheena, help us out.
That's a good
No.
question.
Yeah, it
That's a
is.
good
What
question,
support?
Yes.
Fine, charing.
Ah!
Of course, talagang gusto talaga namin, syempre, before going
I love this
internationally,
answer.
makuha namin mga puso ng mga kababayan namin.
That's true.
Very
Kasi
true.
ayaw naman namin diretso,
Who else would support you
US diretso,
aside
Korea,
from all the
ganyan,
people
pero
in the
mismo
Philippines,
kababayan
right?
namin hindi kami mahal. What's the
Mhm.
point, di ba?
Yeah,
Wala kaming
that's true.
support,
That's true.
wala
I
kaming
agree with that.
pinangahawakan, wala kaming pinagkukuhanan ng,
Yeah.
ng
Lakas ng loob.
yes, emotional support, ganyan. And gaya nga ng sabi niyo po kanina na unti-unti na kaming minamahal. Kaya feeling ko, ngayong ina-accept na kami ng Pilipinas, isa sila sa mga tumulong sa amin para to go internationally. Like, isa sila sa mga grabe yung pag-promote sa amin, ganyan. Sobrang grateful talaga namin. So, Pilipinas, I love you.
Oh my God.
Love that.
Maloy.
Oh, Maloy.
That is so true. I mean, the first people that need to believe in you is definitely the people from here in the Philippines. Because if you have that support, I guess going back to the point earlier, if the Philippines supported OPM like they support foreign
Yeah,
music,
that's true.
the whole industry would be in a different place. And
I
it would
agree.
move so much faster.
Right.
So what
You're
are we
right.
waiting for?
That's correct. That's
Heavy
correct.
on that.
Yes.
Seriously.
Support
Yes.
now.
Yep.
Just
Tama,
use the
tama.
hashtag.
Support, support.
I guess moving into support, Stacy. Oh? Eto na.
Stacey been chilling.
Important
She's been chilling the whole
is
interview.
Support from
Yeah, for real.
casual fans.
Well, sabihin po, nag-start po talaga siya sa song namin na Pantropico ever since nag-boom yung Yeah, I am standing up for you, sir. Nagsimula talaga yung Pantropico na song namin. Talagang dun na parang nagtuloy-tuloy. Natakot kami. Kaming Bini natakot kami mag-release ng next songs kasi paano namin matatapatan yung Pantropico fever, di ba? So, simula nung release namin yung Salamin Cherry on Top, nagulat talaga kami kasi di po namin in-expect na mamahalin talaga nila yung music namin, especially sa Cherry on Top since English song po siya.
natakot kami kasi baka mamaya, syempre, patok sa masa yung Tagalog songs ng Beanie.
Yep.
Ba't ba ako nakatayo? Isa pa nga. And ayun, and thankful kami kasi talagang grabe magmahal ang Pilipinas, yung mga Filipino blooms. Kahit yung mga blooms na nasa ibang bansa, grabe po sila magmahal. And talagang, yun
Yeah.
yung greatest blessing na
out.
binigay sa amin ni Lord.
Aww.
Amen.
I totally agree. I mean, in a way, like when I was growing up in the Visayas, I heard a lot of
know he's from
budots.
Visayas.
And yeah, and like
Yo!
Sample.
but the thing is, when that time was happening, I remember all the names it was being called. Jejimon, it's this,
I
it's
remember
that. And now it's in Boiler Room set. It's global. It's being danced by people around the world.
Mm-hmm.
And it's authentically and originally Filipino. It's one of a kind.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I think right now what you guys
Oh,
are
I
doing
learned
is
that today,
amazing
actually,
because you
with
can't
us.
be put into a box. We
Yeah.
can't let the audience put you into a box. You need to be able to explore and try new things. We want to see that because P-pop is going to grow into whatever it's going to be, and you guys again are leading that way.
This
So,
is hitting
super
hard after
excited for
Coachella
that.
news.
I guess
you
the
know?
last thing I'd like to
Good
talk
thing we
about
watched
with you
this.
guys
Like,
is
wow, this is insane.
what are your messages
timeline,
for
guys.
the
Mhm.
P-pop groups that are coming up right now? Since you guys are the
Don't give
leaders
up.
of the new wave,
Be
what are some
brave, be
advice
yourself.
or some things you'd like to say to them?
Isa-isa po
Never give
ba?
up.
Lahat
Yeah,
po?
let's do it. Go ahead.
One at a time.
I sent my message before.
Yeah,
Like, yun na yung message ko, so we go to Colette na.
I love Pablo. Pablo's so funny.
Oh my god, I think I did too. I Pablo, bro.
May games kami, may games kami yung last word.
Excited nila.
Alright, I love this.
To all the groups out there. Oh.
Here we go.
There.
There.
Go,
Colette.
Basta just be yourself lang and yung discipline dapat nandun.
Yo.
Nandun. Kayo. Nandun yung passion nyo. So don't
Yes,
stop
yes.
and believe in yourself. Yes.
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 Yes. Yo, that was
Yes,
easy for Shane.
everyone. And
Yes,
I
everyone.
hope that... Di ba message sa P-pop group?
Yeah.
Oh, bakit? Okay. Yes, and don't be afraid to show who you are.
R.
Yes.
Are.
Hi.
Are amazing, and don't
Yes.
ever doubt yourself. It's not going to be easy, but
Nice. That's a good one. That's a
But-
good cliffhanger.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
but always remember that we are here to dominate. Dominate? What's your last word? But yes, but always remember that we are here to dominate and not to fit into anyone's boxes. Boxes.
Boxes.
Boxes.
Ang hirap naman ng boxes.
Says na.
Says, I hope you're okay. I know you have big dreams and don't be afraid because it's,
Wait, this is Filipino comedy.
I know
this is
mas
Filipino
strong
humor.
yung dreams mo
I'm
and you can do
dying.
whatever you want basta you believe in yourself.
Self.
Hi, self. Kung nasa ka ma- Yourself. Yourself is the most important thing. So you have to prioritize yung gusto mo. Yung katulad yung sinabi ni Kuya, kung ano yung gusto mo, dapat yun yung i-prioritize mo. Feeling ko, just stick to your core. Kung ano yung nasa core mo, if that is love, be that
Justin's getting
center
nervous.
sa lahat ng ginagawa mo.
Morning man or evening. You have to work hard. Yan. And
Oh my god.
And
Yes, and even if there are times that you feel like,
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Hindi po lalaban.
yes, and kahit may mga times na feeling nyo, hala, nakakapagod na talaga, gusto kong sumuko, pero you're there for a reason. You're there.
You're there.
You're there.
You're almost there. So you're there, but you're still there.
There.
And I'm here telling you that you can do it. So every good boy, that's fine.
Fine.
So funny.
Okay, fine.
Fine.
Look at this.
You'll be fine. 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 That means that you should always be fine in what you're doing. You should never doubt yourself.
Yes!
You should never
Wow.
feel insecure about what you're doing. Don't ever break your dreams. Always chase your star. Always believe in what you're
Look
doing.
at collecting mic.
Never stop believing in yourself. This is from SBNI 19.
I love that
From
part.
your new
Yo, we need
It's
more
my
of
favorite
it.
of this section. Hashtag ni Peter. Hashtag irregular.
Sana meron po kayo nakuhang sa amin.
Hilarious.
Inspirasyon.
Pero naman.
That was funny.
I guess a final thing, just a message for all of your supporters. You guys have amazing fans. I think I'd like to hear from the leaders of each group for this one. A message to your fans and a message to the people that support you.
Joe.
Kung sino daw pinaka-long hair, siya yung una.
So yung message namin, siguro gusto lang namin mag-thank you sa support na binibigay nyo kasi grabe magmahal talaga ang mga Pinoy and especially yung fan base ng groups natin, di ba? Grabe. Feeling ko kasi meron na tayong strong fan engagement. Ang kailangan na lang talaga natin unity, tama? And mag-release talaga ng mga meaningful songs. Yon, mag-explore. Back to
Yes,
you.
sir.
Back to you.
Tayo pa rin. Tayo rin ba? Siguro ano ba sabihin ko? Sa totoo lang, Brett, wala na akong masabi sa fans namin kasi everyday naman nagpapasalamat kami, sinasabi namin na mahal namin sila. Siguro gusto ko lang sabihin kasi ako, ini-imagine ko rin paano ba yung lives ng mga fans. So I know
Pablo.
meron din silang mga dreams, meron din silang mga aspirations katulad nating mga kabataan. Kabataan pa tayo, lahat tayo dito. Gusto ko lang, ang hiling ko lang kay Lord, gusto ko lagi silang malayo sa kapahamakan, yung health nila okay palagi. Kasi kapag okay tayong lahat, kaya natin magtrabaho, kaya nating abutin yung mga pangarap natin, di ba? So, habang okay tayo, maayos yung health natin, maayos yung minds natin, kasi syempre mahalaga din ng mental health. Kaya natin abutin yung pangarap. And gusto ko lang sabihin na darating yung time na kung hindi man ngayon darating yung time in God's perfect time na maabot niyo yung mga pangarap niyo. So, habang okay tayo lahat, magpursige tayo, gawin natin yung very best natin. Huwag tayong magliban ng wag tayong magre-relax lang na basta-basta kasi syempre if we have our dreams, dapat every time na may opportunity ibigay natin yung 100% natin. Huwag tayong parang mag-aalinlangan kasi kapag nagkaroon ng alinlangan, doon nagkakaroon ng problema. So, ayun lang, good health for everyone and sasabihin ko lang ulit, mahal na mahal namin kayo and you guys are our inspiration and our motivation. So, let's all be motivation para sa ibang tao rin. So, ayun lang gusto ko sabihin. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay, more birthdays to come. Ano ba bang gusto ko sabihin?
MBTC, GBU.
Merry Christmas din. Malapit na yung Merry Christmas and happy birthday sa inyo.
Happy Halloween.
I just want to thank you guys for being here today. I think there's a lot to take away from this episode. First of all, we need to support these groups because we know that if we support OPM in general and the whole Philippines comes together, this thing can get bigger and bigger and bigger until
Louder for the
this
back.
nation and the music community is leading across the world.
Yeah.
Secondly, there's no more time for fighting. We need to come together as fans and as music listeners and just keep supporting.
Wow, these words are
we need
like-
to do this together.
Yeah. I love that he said that.
Hoping
These
for
words are
more
like,
support,
wow,
not
it
only
hits,
from the
bro.
fans, but from the government, from
Oh.
businesses, and people to
Yo.
invest in OPM in general,
Period.
especially
This is
P-pop.
so real. So real.
Thank you so much, SB19 and Beanie, for being here today. You coming together is a big moment for the music community,
like the
and
Avengers.
your words are going to go
Seriously.
everywhere today. So thank you so much. This has been Billboard Philippines Volumes with with Beanie and SB19.
Let's make some noise.
Thank you, Bo.
Yes.
That was a good interview. Oh my god.
I love it
Billboard
because,
Philippines.
especially the end, it was so unserious, but serious. You know, it was
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
so good.
It was them being themselves. They're
Yeah.
serious. At the same time, they could joke around and laugh.
Yeah.
One
so
of the
good.
best real questions I've ever heard.
And the issues, like everything they were
Yeah,
talking
they-
about,
yeah.
addressing.
Yeah.
Love it.
Everything was tackled.
Yep.
That was crazy.
Exactly.
They talked about everything.
Yeah. So
But-
good.
We need more of this actually. These interviews are like how you know them as a group, and then like I love how they like say good things about each group.
Yeah.
It's so good to hear about that, you know?
Mhm.
Oh my
Mhm.
god.
That's
They're
why,
not in a
like,
competition. It's
No.
like a friendly environment for everybody.
And they're fans of each other.
Exactly.
Like, come on, fan wars. Gotta stop.
Oh my
For
god,
what?
that's true. You gotta stop, guys. We don't need that.
We don't need
They-
that.
We need to be together. We need to be
Yes.
one. We need to be united for. Oh my god.
Yeah, and every time they speak about like when they like receive awards, they always say P-pop rise. They always
Yeah.
talk about P-pop and how they want to like uplift it, right, and make it known. But my favorite part was just them like what you guys said, like them like giving compliments to one another. They really do support each other. In the end of the day, we saw it when Beanie got announced in Coachella. Everyone,
Yo, I saw that too. I saw that.
from SB19 to
Yeah.
like every other artist from like I just love the love that everyone has for P-pop in
everybody.
general.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why the fan wars need to stop.
It needs to stop because like okay, so right, like you said, Coachella was announced, Beanie was gonna be there. You know, SB19, I think even like G22, Kaya was all tweeting to them like, you know,
Yeah.
congratulations,
Congratulations,
because it means it can be them one day too.
Yeah, exactly. It could be them like 2027, 2028, right?
Right, exactly.
Seeing a Filipino group ever to perform at Coachella, this is why it's so special to me.
It is.
Like,
It is.
How happy I was just to see them at a pre-show at KCON. I was the happiest guy ever.
I was so happy for that
Oh
too.
my
yeah.
god, I was so
I was
happy.
so happy. And just imagine them at Coachella with all the Filipinos there waving their Filipino
Oh my god,
flag.
I'm just
This is
gonna
history.
cry.
It's history.
It is history.
Yeah, this is history.
History.
And that's-
This is so big for the Philippine
Yeah, it is.
nation. This is so
It,
Yeah.
It's really been a big
The
year for
music
the
too.
Philippines.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alex Ayala, Beanie.
Yep.
like,
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, Filipinos are rising in general.
Rising,
we,
yes.
we see it.
But
Yeah.
everyone
So-
knew it.
so.
Everyone knows it about us. It's
I
just
agree.
They
not
know
being
I-
displayed. on a
Not
high
gonna lie, like I said before, Reaction did not know Filipino music exists. Like P-pop, I did not know they exist. That's why like we had to spread the light on it. Like legit, everyone knows. I feel like a lot of people know that Filipinos are great singers,
Exactly. Yes.
performers,
Yeah.
dancers.
Everyone knows that.
Yes.
Everyone knows that. If you have Instagram, TikTok,
Everyone
you know
knows that.
Yeah.
Everyone knows that. So
I
like I feel like now that like we have this stage, we're gonna see more P-pop artists in the biggest stages ever. And
Ever.
the sky's the
time.
limit. Sky's the
Yes,
limit.
yes.
Yeah.
So I'm happy that we're doing this. This is a really great timing after like an announcement of Coachella.
Coachella, yeah.
And yo, SB19 Coachella next year. I'm calling it.
For sure.
I'm calling it too.
For
I'm
sure,
calling it
yeah.
too.
And then we're going there as well.
And then we're going.
Oh my
Go-
god.
and we're going as well.
I'm just so glad
Uh,
that Beanie got to pave the way for everybody. You know.
Yeah.
It's
But also started with SB19 starting it,
SB19,
and then
yeah, starting,
yeah.
and then Beanie, yeah.
P-pop in the rise, man. So I can't wait for the future. I can't wait to see all the P-pop artists in the biggest stages. Because I want to see all Filipino acts in the biggest stage. I want to see that. Like, and I know Filipinos here, we go hard on Filipinos. You know,
Filipino
we
acts.
support.
Yeah.
We
We are the
support
best
so hard.
audience you could ever have, guys. Best audience.
We'll sing your songs, yo. We'll sing
Yes,
so.
we are the
we'll-
loudest.
We're the loudest, exactly.
Yeah.
No, it
Uh,
seems like no matter what you do, if you are a Filipino, if you're the first of it, there will be a crowd of support for you.
Yeah,
Filipinos will follow you in whatever you do. But it needs to show within like P-pop support. Like I don't understand. Like at this same time, it's like they're the biggest critics.
Well, I feel like we're in the right direction right now. Trajectory is going this way. I feel like it's going that way. But yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
I just love
mabuhay
it. I
ang
just love it.
OPM.
Boy.
Yes.
Yes.
Facts. So guys, let us know in the comments below how you guys felt about this interview. What are you guys excited for? And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.